No mai haere mai, a warm welcome to Solway College. Solway College is a school where every student counts. As a small special character school for girls, we are like a family, where the needs of each person are really well understood and provided for. To do this, we have a very wide curriculum and range of educational programs and activities which we adapt to suit each individual student's interests and needs. As well as what we offer here on campus, our students have access to courses from other places, and we also offer many online virtual learning opportunities. Set in beautiful grounds with historic buildings, our campus reflects that we are an historic school with a very proud history of academic achievement. From achieving university scholarships to accomplishments in vocational courses and national qualifications, our students are highly successful. While our history and traditions and Christian values give us a firm foundation, we ensure that our teaching and our programs are innovative and flexible. We have high expectations of our students, and these things combine to contribute to our success. Outside the classroom at Solway, you will find we have a huge range of activities and opportunities to choose from. Whether it's our hugely popular surfing program, which takes advantage of the Wairarapa's beautiful beaches, or competing as a member of our equestrian team, or just learning to ride and care for a horse, or whether it's taking on one of the more traditional sports on offer like netball or swimming, you'll find Solway girls are actively involved in sports and outdoor activities. Wakaamo is a sport in which we excel and which is ideally suited to the natural outdoors of the Wairarapa. It exemplifies the team spirit you will find at Solway. If your interests include creative and cultural pursuits like art or the performing arts, music, dance, drama or kapahaka, these are all on offer, both on and off campus. And performances and productions are an integral part of school life. Solway is a boarding school, and living on campus opens up many more opportunities to be part of the Solway family. Our boarders have access to our school facilities and resources such as the swimming pool, the fitness gym, music and art rooms, and of course Wi-Fi. Supervised homework sessions mean help is always on hand if you need it. Transport is provided to activities and events, and fun events in the hostel add to the enjoyment of being with your friends. Our students come from all over the Wairarapa, New Zealand and the world, and the school and hostel family atmosphere means that our girls find friendships which endure long after they have left school. Solway is easy to get to, situated as it is in Masterton, the provincial capital of the Wairarapa region, only 90 minutes by car or train to Wellington. Solway is a vibrant and busy place, so come and visit us at our place and see what Solway has to offer you. E tipu ana wahine toa, we grow great girls. Mōri tū, mōri ora.